In this CallFluent AI review, I'm going to show you a tool that allows you to automate phone calls using advanced, human-like AI voice agents with CallFluent AI. It handles both inbound and outbound calls for sales, customer support, and lead engagement, ensuring your business never misses an opportunity. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades. If at any point during this review you want to check out CallFluent AI, just click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Now, I'm going to play the demo video from the CallFluent AI creator to show you how it actually works. After that, I will show you its price, features, and OTOs breakdown to give you an overview of what you will receive with each upgrade when you purchase CallFluent AI. Let's watch the demo.
Hey, this is Adrian, the founder behind CallFluent AI, and in this quick demo, I will walk you through the 3 simple steps to get your AI phone calling and answering agents up and running in just minutes. So step number 1, you create your agent by clicking on the plus sign. You just select the agent type to make or receive calls. Just give it a name and select a hyper-realistic voice from many of the voices that we provide over here. You choose the phone number you want to link it to your agent. In step number 2, you customize it to fit your brand, so make it sales or a support agent type, or even in lead engagement. You can select the tone from professional to conversational, humorous, and many more. Let's go with conversational. You set your agent's main goal, okay, and then you set your background of expertise of the agent, and then you prompt in your special instructions, behavior, how to behave, how to interact with the customers. And also we provide you a phone call script to dictate the flow of the conversation, so you have more granular control over where the discussion is heading and where it's supposed to always end up in. And once you're done, you just hit save and close. And step number 3, you simply just copy paste a single line of code on your website or use your webhook to send data to, and you go live. Activate your agents and watch it handle calls, book appointments, and close deals automatically on your behalf. And you're done basically in under 60 seconds. Now let's test it out together, shall we? And just hit call me now. There we go, we're getting the call. This is live.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is Lisa. I'd be happy to help. May I have your name, please?
Yes, hey, this is Adrian.
Great to meet you, Adrian. What service would you be interested in today?
Yeah, I'd be interested to book an appointment for teeth whitening.
Thanks for that, Adrian. Let's see what we have available. We have openings tomorrow at 9 a.m. or next Wednesday at 2 p.m.
Tomorrow 9 a.m. would be great.
Perfect. Please allow me a few moments to schedule that for you. Are you there?
Yes, I'm still here.
I appreciate your patience, Adrian. Finalizing your appointment now. Perfect. I've booked you for teeth whitening tomorrow at 9 a.m. with Dr. Smith. You'll receive a confirmation by text or email.
Okay, that was actually amazing. Thank you so much for all the help.
You're very welcome, Adrian. I'm glad I could assist you.
How amazing was that? It just took me 60 seconds to configure my own scheduling appointment setter. Just plug and play technology.
Now, let's talk about CallFluent AI front-end and OTOs. To give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. CallFluent AI front-end. This is the core software known as the front-end offer. Today only, $37 one-time pay. It includes the features listed below. CallFluent AI software access. 3 AI-powered phone agents. Inbound and outbound agent creation. 360 calls included. 360 minutes of talk time. 6 neural AI voices. Proprietary NLP engine. Call audio logs. Full call transcripts. Post-call analysis. Customizable call flows. Tailored phone scripts. Automated appointment scheduling. One-click Google Calendar integration. 100% privacy encryption. Smart lead qualification. Real-time analytics. 24/7 availability. 30+ languages included. Easy setup and onboarding. Dedicated support and regular updates. Over-the-shoulder video training. Access knowledge base articles. 14 days money-back guarantee. Bonus, training webinar, How to profit with AI-powered phone agents. Affordable overage minutes at just 15 cents per minute. CallFluent AI OTO 1. Today only, $97 one-time pay. It includes the features listed below. All the features from front end included. Create up to 10 voice agents. Create up to 5 workspaces. 750 minutes, inbound and outbound, included. 50 plus neural voices. 70 plus supported languages. Overage minutes as low as 0.12. Webhook integration. 11 Labs integration. OpenAI custom API integration. 3,000 plus Zapier integrations. Call recordings and transcriptions. Automated SMS actions. Automated booking and scheduling. Superior noise reduction in calls. Customer sentiment analysis. Advanced call summaries. Voicemail detection. Implementation specialist call. Training webinar sessions. Turbo speed, lowest latency. Direct integrations, HubSpot, Salesforce. Expanded voices and emotional tones. Done for you template scripts. Enhanced reporting, call duration trends, agent performance metrics, sentiment analysis in calls. Priority routing. Real-time call monitoring. CallFluent AI OTO 2. Today only, $97 one-time pay. It includes the features listed below. All the features from front-end and OTO 1 included. Create up to 30 voice agents. Create up to 30 workspaces. 1,600 minutes, inbound and outbound, included. 400 plus neural voices. 140 plus supported languages. Overage minutes as low as 0.079. Email call data push, post call. SMS data push, post call. Google Calendar integration. Go high-level calendar integration. Automated data collection. Customize agent response time. Change LLM model. Adjust agent answer creativity. Increase agent response length. Adjust speech stop sensitivity. Custom fields and placeholders. Anti-fraud protection. Restrict webhook calls by domain. Block outgoing calls by mobile number type. Agent AI knowledge base. Custom data training. User intent and topic detection. CallFluent AI OTO 3. Today only, $397 one-time pay. It includes the features listed below. Unlimited voice agents and workspaces. 3,600 minutes, one time. Add more minutes for only 0.69 per minute. 6 basic voices plus 400 neural voices. 11 Labs integration, voice cloning. Unlimited team members. White label dashboard and custom domain. Custom SMTP integration. White glove onboarding and one-on-one consultations. Training webinars and premium support. Automated SMS, booking, scheduling, inbound/outbound agents. Advanced AI intelligence, sentiment analysis, intent detection, voicemail handling.